Yogakshemam 2nd November 2020. Theme: Communities mentoring us. Breathe, see, hear, touch, feel, get drenched, immersed, be in the tight hugs, listen to echoes. Lie down, jump around. In the early morning, late into the night, be there with nature. In Himalayas, Vindhya Hills, Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, across the sands of Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, into Ganga, Brahmaputra, Narmada, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, lakes, streams, falls, around Dandakaranya, Venkateshwara, islands in the sea, islands in the river, forests, green tunnels, caves, wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, sacred groves, deserts, runs, plateaus, plains, deltas, hillocks, gardens, temples, cultural fests, jataras, festivals, hearts, lives, livelihoods, occupations, ways of living, caring, celebrations. And there are continents across. This is where we need to go. We need to be with. This is nature. This is where nature wants us. Western Ghats, Sahyadris, Nilgiris, Annamalai, Cardamom, home to Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri. These rivers flow through Eastern Ghats, Shevaroy, Javadi, Palakonda, Nallamala, Seshachalam hills into Bay of Bengal. More deltas in Eastern Ghats, more estuaries in West, more and more dense forests. The work has taken me to tribal communities and tribal areas in and around and in between these Ghats. Tribal areas made me more human and confirmed me as a life worker. Born in Deccan Plateau, lived close to major dams on Krishna, which is Srisailam and Nagarjuna Sagar. Very early in life, interacted with Banjaras. These communities have been recognized as scheduled tribes in combined Andhra Pradesh around 1975. They are treated as backward communities in Maharashtra, scheduled castes in Karnataka. These are linked to nomadic groups of North India. My village and neighboring villages had or have population of Banjaras or Lambadas. Very hard-working groups. These were the labor in the dams and other tanks. Now settled down in Thandas, all around reservoir backwaters and on the roads to Hyderabad. Recently, Telangana government has made Thandas into panchayats. Subsequent interaction has been with tribal communities of Eastern Ghats, North Coastal Andhra Pradesh, when I went on fieldwork from Irma. Met particularly vulnerable tribal groups too. Spent some days and nights in their habitations, Gudams. Then met tribal communities in Nilgiris, Kodai and Yerkad during the management traineeship. Met the hunter-gatherer, particularly vulnerable tribal groups Chenchus, first time while at Dairy Board. Visited Kurnool collector Apparao to appreciate Self-Employment Training Society at Kurnool. Simultaneously visited and spent time in Chenchu areas around Srisailam along with my friend of life, Vadrevu Chinaveerabhadrudu. Much later, when we were in Appapur, a Chenchu habitation, Penta, from Girijan Cooperative Corporation and Koval, we had to spend some 3 days with them. Earlier, on a Sivaratri day, we had to go up to Sikaram to finalize the trust deed of Koval Foundation. I have also been to BR Hills in Karnataka to study the work of medicinal herb formulation enterprise of Vivekananda Resource Center. Post Rajan's accident and death, me and Manohar were hinting Miss Patel that we would leave Dairy Board to go to the ground. Miss Patel was saying that she would put us in a cooperative or in a spearhead team. We concluded that we need to go all the way to communities and be with them. The best was to leave Dairy Board. She let us go in 2 installments. First Manohar, then me. after some 6 to 9 months via IRMA. Dairy Board and IRMA let me leave only in March 1992. Joined Girijan Corporation at Visakhapatnam as Commodity Coordinator, later renamed as Community Coordinator, and went through another wonderful 6-month induction taking me to various areas and people. It included a 30+ day stay walk in Bejur area in Adilabad region, working for substantial time with integrated tribal development agencies, project officers, collectors of tribal dominant districts and grassroots organizations working with tribal areas, working on key value chains, cotton and non-timber forest produce. Visited all the tribal areas of combined Andhra Pradesh. Bejur became the Girijan Karma Bhumi. Gradually moved to Visakhapatnam to conceptualize, interpret and manage community coordination teams to get more community coordinators to support 2 large participatory tribal development projects covering the entire tribal area of combined Andhra Pradesh, to facilitate and lead commercializing research and development on natural produce, products and take to market, retail and consumer market. Facilitated computerization up to field. Co-founded and led Koval Foundation of and for the non-timber forest produce collecting indigenous tribal communities. S.R. Sankaran agreed to chair Sahayog Community Coordination Network to take the CCT concept to the entire tribal area. His conditions were simply cannot take foreign funds, cannot use his name to leverage. Later, been to tribals all over the country, National Tree Growers Cooperative Federation, National Rural Livelihood Mission and otherwise. These included tribal communities in various northeastern states, Attapadi, Vedaranyam, Odisha Gramya jungles, Himalayan communities, Gujarat Rajasthan Bills, Rajasthan, Kashmir, Ladakh nomadic communities, Bengal Gorkhas, Lepchas et al., Tibetan communities, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra tribals, Aboriginal tribal communities in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and so on. Together, they made me more human. They made me to be in the present. They made me equity oriented. They made me to be joyous. They reinforced me to remain life worker. They are hastening me into third transition towards local useful coexistence with nature in nature, with hope, faith, promise, love, for dignity, choice, joy, integrity for all of us. We lose ourselves. This is the third life of useful coexistence for 7L. Join us in the world of yoga of useful local coexistence in nature. Prakriti Chara Yoga for 7L.